How to protect your early spring garden from a late snowstorm. A late snowstorm can wreak havoc on unprotected, early spring plants. Even after the weather warms, a snowstorm still can come out of nowhere. If you aren't prepared, the freezing temperatures, winds and heavy snow can cause major damage to your garden. In addition to mulch, a few household items can protect your plants from a snowstorm. Although they may not provide complete protection from cold temperatures, they'll keep the weight of snow and ice off your plants, giving them a better shot to make it through the storm. Things you will need: straw or wood chip mulch, bed sheets, burlap, blankets, bricks or stones, stakes, clay pots, buckets, large garbage cans. Apply a 2 to 3 inch thick layer of straw or wood chip mulch around, but not touching, the base of each plant. Keep the mulch about 2 inches from the base of each plant. It shouldn't touch their leaves or stems. The mulch protects roots and maintains soil temperature. Take potted plants indoors to an unheated area. A garage, covered patio or basement are ideal places to keep the plants until the snow melts. Cover large plants with a few layers of bed sheets, burlap or blankets. Weight the corners of the coverings with bricks or stones. Place a stake underneath each set of coverings and into the soil so the coverings do not resting directly on the plants. Cover small plants with upside-down clay pots, buckets or large garbage cans. Weight those items with bricks or stones. Tips: warnings. Remove all coverings, including the mulch, after the snow melts.